So the woodworking tools are out. Chisels, saws, sharpening stone, bevel gauge, more chisels, wood, Forstner bits, teak, clamps, drills. Now this job has taken me 2.5 years to do. Yeah, and now I'm getting to do it. What am I making? Yep, they're still pecking away at that mountainside, and I've just finished with the first sanding. That will go in there. We'll give it some teak oil now, see what it comes up like. A little bit of sanding needed more in there, but thanks to Giles and his piece of teak, we're just about done. She now has a matching towel roll. Let's put the thing up in the right place. Hang on. Goes in there like that. Perfect. Matching teak, similar design, teak and mahogany. Job's a good one.